बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम हस्बुनल्लाहु व निअमल वकील। अल्लाह हमें काफ़ी है और वो बेहतरीन कारसाज है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। December 1st, World AIDS Day. Today we stand together to raise awareness, fight stigma, and support millions of people living with HIV around the world. World AIDS Day reminds us that every testing, access to treatment, and compassionate support can save lives. Let's commit to a future where no one faces discrimination and everyone has the care and dignity they deserve. Number 1, know your status. Number 2, break the stigma. Number 3, support the fight against HIV. Tahira Deen, CEO, Power Organization. Thank you.